Over the years, there has been a variety of third-party drivers for PlayStation 4, but so far, all of them have remained tied to the console. However, the last controller with official license, the Hori Onyx wireless controller, changes that. It is the first wireless third-party gamepad with a seal of approval from Sony. From a design point of view, the Onyx seems to be taking design cues from Microsoft's Xbox One controllers, instead of Sony's DualShock 4, borrowing both the asymmetric stick design, the D-pad and the overall shape of the stick. The Microsoft drivers. Unfortunately, like the Xbox One controllers, there does not seem to be a speaker that has DualShock 4. There's also no light bar on the back, although if the Onyx works like other third-party PS4 drivers, you can still get game information through the small LED bar in front. If you are a PS 4 owner who longs to use an Xbox controller instead of a DualShock and can live with those inconveniences, then the Onyx may be for you. Like almost all PS4 drivers licensed by Sony, the Hori Onyx is only available in Europe. However, no release plans have yet been announced in the US.